always ask for their opinion. Mom! Bro, every time I'm filming, she's trying to scream at the TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra if you're new here, and I'm back today with a new video. Today's video, I am trying the new Morphe foundation, the new Filter Effect Foundation, and I'm excited to try it out. I'm big on just trying new foundations and seeing how these complexion products are working, and I think this collection is just going to be a pretty good foundation collection. So I'm excited to try out this foundation. I'm really interested in seeing how the complexion products are holding up these days. So I really like reviewing foundations. This foundation specifically, I was intrigued because the face of the foundation was a Black creator. And I think Morphe is doing a good job. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. I'm going to keep this intro short, but let's talk about it. Morphe really needs to get rid of the toxic influencers that it backs, that it supports, that it gives lines. You know, we're tired. We're tired of them endorsing the wrong kind of people. Like, I'm just gonna keep it a buck. And then this foundation also came out right at Black History Month, so I'm like, a Black creator, a Black photographer for the campaign. Like, yes, so Shayla, Makeup Shayla, she is the face of this foundation, and then Danessa was kind of like the campaign, what's the word I'm looking for? Like the campaign director, like the person who came up with the images and everything, the photographer. So I think that is really important, and I like to see that, and I like to see this shift, because also last month they had Ashley. Was it last month or like in December, the holiday collection was, the face of that was Ashley Strong from Instant Influencer. She won Instant Influencer. I like her a lot. I'm a big fan of her. So I just think they're taking a turn, and a turn for the better. I think it's great. So I really wanted to test out this foundation. So the specifics on this foundation is that it comes in 40 shades, which is honestly standard at this point. Like, it's 2021. If you're not coming out with 40 shades, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying? Like, what are you doing? So it comes in 40 shades. It also only costs $20 for 0.94 fluid ounces. Okay, that is a good price for a foundation. I'm really big on affordable makeup. I'm really big on budget beauty, like beauty on a budget, balling on a budget, like, because I just think that some of these brands are so unrealistic to majority of their consumers. So I'm really big on showing you the affordable options. This foundation is sold in Ulta for $20, but because it falls in the non-luxury category of makeup brands, you can use Ulta coupons on it. So you can use the $3.50 coupon that they have on every week. They have a coupon every week. So this actually only makes the foundation $17. So I was like, yes, okay, let's do it. And then also right now, with any purchase of this foundation, you get their new foundation brush for free. This foundation brush is a $16 foundation brush, and you literally get it for free. I got all of this for $17, so I think that's really good. Definitely if you're a beginner, if you're starting off, all that kind of stuff, you can get that base for $17. The shade that I got in this foundation is Filter Rich 25. I hope this matches me. I was in the store and I always ask for their like consultant's opinion, because I just like a second opinion. Sometimes they really be off. And I'm like, no, I think it's this. But I always get a second opinion, and the girl there today was really, really good. But the shade I got is Rich 25, and it says it has pink undertones. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see how it works, but I'm excited. Another thing that I wanted to mention is, because of the whole pandemic, you know, it's very hard to test makeup, which I'm totally fine with, because I'm not trying to catch anything just to get a foundation. But they do have these like tester cards in the store, like very specific, for free, and it kind of gives you an idea like, oh, this is what this looks like. I may fall a little bit above or a little bit below. It was really helpful for me because I saw that Filter Rich 26 was right here, and I was like, I think that might be a little too dark. So then that allowed me to just kind of like get a gauge of what I wanted. So I thought that was really nice touch too. So this is the foundation right here. It's actually a really good size, and it has a pump, little applicator, so I love that. And yeah, it's soft focus foundation. This is supposed to be a hydrating foundation. And I don't do hydrating foundations. I really love a matte look because I have oily skin. Even though I know moisture and hydration is good for your skin, I don't do a hydrating foundation, but I do think I should kind of enter that into my collection a little bit, so that's why I'm trying this today. But yeah, it is a hydrating one, more like every day. It is medium to full, so it's buildable, medium to full coverage. That's good. But yeah, we'll see. It's supposed to be more skin-like, you know, those hydrating foundations, so we're gonna give it a try. Here we go. I really hope this matches my skin. Oh, I think it's going to be a good match. I really do. Look at that. I think it's going to be a good match. Yeah. I'm going to use their new foundation brush, even though I have my favorite. Oh! Yes! This is a good match. This is a good match, I think. Let me not jinx it. I'm going to use their foundation brush though, because I just want to try it out. I have my favorite foundation brushes, but I want, you know, to test new things. I'll probably go over it with a sponge or go in with my favorite foundation brush because, I don't know, some brushes, like I like the buff, like the kabuki type, or let me find it. This is my favorite foundation brush. This Real Techniques, it's my favorite foundation brush because you can just buff your skin. I don't know. This whole like painting action, not for me. Not for me. Because I feel like it doesn't look realistic. It looks streaky. But hold on. We love a good foundation match. Oh, that looks good. Okay. Oh, it looks good. Okay, I need to calm down. So I watched Shayla's like reveal, I guess, of this foundation. And she just put it on with this brush and then blended it in with a sponge. So that's probably what I will do too. Just, I don't know, I feel like I am using quite a bit. I feel like I've used like 2.5, 3-ish pumps. They're not like huge pumps, but I don't know. See, the brush situation. It's not a horrible brush, but I also feel like it's a brush. It makes it streaky to me, but it was free. So now I'm gonna take this sponge and kind of blend it out a little bit. Nuh-uh. This is this new foundation sponge that I got off of Amazon. It was a pack for like $10, a pack of 5 for $10. And this literally is the quality of Beauty Blender. And it's fatter. I'm just saying, some things you don't have to spend a pretty penny on. Some things you do. Some things it's quality to spend a little extra money, but some things you don't. You don't. This sponge is doing the job. It's soft. The texture's so good to make your makeup apply really well. Like, because some are scratchy, you know what I'm saying. But no, this is making it apply really well. So I'm going to link it in the description box below so y'all know, put y'all on, because $20 for a beauty blender, unacceptable. Unacceptable. $20, I know, it's a staple, yada, yada, yada. $20 for one, no. When I could get 5 or 10, I can't. So far, I'm really liking it. Y'all know I'm not a dewy person, but this is looking very natural. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy at all. This is definitely giving your skin but better, right? Right? Yeah. Is it too light? No, it looks good. Let's just blend down this neck. Okay. I am going to conceal a little bit, and I don't have the Morphe concealer, but I gotta conceal some of these like dark spots from acne. Yeah, just a little bit. And then I'll probably still go over top with just a little bit more foundation just to lock it in with that formula. And because I'm not really trying to be highlighted or anything, I just need like a simple look today. So yeah, let's go in with the other side of this beauty blender and just do that. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this foundation. Like just applying it, it feels really weightless. It's a great match. Personally, I really like the match, and it's not as mattifying as I like. It says it's supposed to be blurring. I do see that effect. I do see that effect. I see how it's buildable because at first it was very skin-like, and I've been trying to build it up, but I like it so far. I really do. I'm like looking in the mirror. I do. I think it looks nice. Yeah, I think it looks nice. So I'm just going to wear this for a little bit, finish my makeup and everything, wear it for a little bit, then I'll be back to tell you my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm back and this is my final look. I just kept it really natural because, yeah, just keeping it natural. I've been wearing it for a couple of hours. This isn't really a wear test, just more like a first impressions, but it is holding up nice so far. Like, let me look in the mirror. It does, like, I always crease right here. Like, it always happens, but it is holding up so far. I really like it. I like it a lot. It's weightless. It's, you know, I'm not a hydrating foundation kind of girl, but it is giving such a natural, I don't know, just like my skin, but better. I know, like, it's just like very skin-like. It's very skin-like. So, and you can make it really intense and really full coverage, but it's really skin-like, and I like that. It's good for like on the go, quick. So I'm pretty impressed. For $20, this is a pretty good foundation. It really is. Like, I think they did a good job with formulating this. I would say it definitely gives you, I feel like, more natural look, but it says it's buildable. I will try to make it more full coverage in the future, but just initially, I really like it. It's not too dewy either. It says it's hydrating and all that, and I'm definitely a matte girl, but it's not too hydrating. Like, it doesn't look very shiny to me at all. Very, like, dewy. It looks kind of just right. I really like it. So I suggest picking this foundation up. Plus, it is a really great deal. And if you like that skin-like look, this is definitely the foundation for you. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.